Before I take a look at this, make sure to drop a like on today's video. I'm super pumped about these. Okay, are you guys ready? Did you leave a like? What is up, everybody? My name is Ryan, and this is Project Race Car, and today we got our rims in. They are sitting right there, and today we're going to be looking and unboxing the rims. I have not seen them. None of them are opened yet, and so this is going to be like a first look, and I'm super excited for them. I hope that you guys are too. But anyways, let's unbox some wheels. I also wanted to say thank you guys so much for 4,000 subscribers. The goals of the channel are always to gain subscribers, but I never thought that we would make it this far. And so thank you guys for all of your support, all the continued comments, and I hope that, you know, we can look back and see how far we've come and also just keep going forward. So thank you guys again. Let's get into the unboxing. All right, so these wheels are from ESM. They have great products, great styles. They focus on European styles. But let's take a look and peek at this. Be very careful. Guys, I don't know if you guys are excited as I am, but we'll get rid of these stupid bottle cap rims. Okay, let's see it. You guys ready? Nice, we got lots of packaging. Keep the rims safe. All right, guys, so I got it to this point, and I haven't seen the rims yet, and we're gonna be unboxing these. Ooh, guys, I am excited. Are you guys pumped? Before I take a look at this, make sure to drop a like on today's video. I'm super pumped about these. Okay, are you guys ready? Did you leave a like? Did you do it? Okay. Whew. We can start to see them. They got a nice little tab here. Oh, guys. Oh, my goodness. Let's... Woo-hoo! Oh, these are gonna be beautiful. Wow. Let's just appreciate that. Leave a like on today's video. These are gonna look so much better. You can see just how much it makes the red pop. The red and the white, it pops together. Wow. So this is an ESM wheel. These are 16 by 8s, and they are the classic kind of multi-spoke style. They're copied off of a BBS RS, but these are significantly cheaper. They have a nice machined lip, which is absolutely beautiful. And these are just so damn shiny. I am super pumped for these. I'm so very excited. So the E30 is going to be getting some new wheels, and we'll lay them down and unbox all of them. So I got the wheel all off to actually test fit one of the rims. I'm just going to test fit the front and then the rear to make sure that the clearance and the offset is good. I did a lot of research before I ended up getting these rims to make sure that these should fit. So they are 16 by 8, which is a little bit bigger than the stock tires, but the offset is out 20 millimeters. So they should fit. They shouldn't have too much of a clearance issue. The other thing is that Greta will be needing new brakes soon. I did know that, but there is a lip on both sides, so you can see in there the pad is rusted, and this just all needs a nice refresh. So again, this should be this will probably be the next upgrade, is replacing the brakes because they are just old and rough. I'm also going to get stainless steel brake lines, so that should be good. But and then the full coilover is coming in as well. So these are just on lowering springs, which I don't know if they're correct for the car. And yeah, so we'll be able to fix that And then I'm also going to recoat this inner fender because it looks like it has a lot of oil on it. And so I'm going to really clean it down, spray it down with degreaser, and then recoat this inside so that it looks nice and refreshed. So you can see that this sits a little bit more flush rather than the stock ones that have, these will be out a lot more. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the jack from the bottom. I do have a second jack stand under there. But then I'm going to jack up this control arm. Right here, we are clearing up here. Naturally, we're clearing all the brake lines since these are 16. But what I'm scared of is that shock tower being in the way. So we'll kind of compress this all the way and see where it kind of sits. I might have to wait for the coilovers to come in because the diameter of the spring is actually a lot smaller for the coilovers. So we might have to wait for those to come in to put these wheels on, which is a little bit unfortunate, but it is what it is. So naturally, these are going to have a tire on them and it will compress a little bit more, but that's going to look so much more clean and so much like it's going to really change the entire look of the car. It's going to look a lot cleaner, a lot shinier, and yeah, we'll get some good clearance on it, make sure that it's not rubbing or anything, but it's going to look great. I'm super excited. All right, team, so this looks like good enough clearance. I haven't fully extended the shock, but it shouldn't hit. But we'll get some tires on there. I believe they're coming in this week, so we'll get them fully mounted and then fully swapped over. I just wanted to make sure that they cleared that back like rear strut, which they do. So that's good, which is funny because the bottle caps don't clear the back shock, which is why they were rubbing a tiny bit. So this 20 millimeter offset should be looking good. And what we'll also do this week or sometime in the future is put that steering rack in. We can see that E30 is leaking from the steering rack. So we'll try to clean that all up. And then for the rims, we'll get them all mounted and everything. And then, yeah, they look mint. So they really bring out the shine of the E30. And they should be looking real clean. So there's enough side on all sides. It might be a little bit close on the top, but we'll fix that when the coilovers get in since they are adjustable and everything. And they're a smaller housing than those. So, but looks super clean. They're very beautiful. I got these off of Fitment Industries. And they are a super good company. I basically just called in and asked what kind of fits on the E30, and this is what they recommended. This is the style that I wanted to go for, the BBSRS or ESM 002s. But yeah, they look super clean. And what I'm going to do, since they are white, I decided to go with the white rather than all chrome because I feel like the chrome would have been just too shiny. These whites are very, very glossy, so that's really nice. It's a good enough shine. And then they're also the nice, cheaper version, but they look beautiful. Fully machined lip, and we'll have to be very careful on these rims. I ended up going for tire size. I ended up going with a 215/45 16 all the way around, since they are 16 by 8s. And so that tire size should be pretty good for this fitment as well. They should fit. I might have to knock in these the fender just a tiny bit, just since it does poke out and it is sharp. I for sure don't want to cut up the new tires. But what we're also going to do with these rims after they get a tire on them is we'll ceramic coat the entire rim. And what that's going to do is going to make it a lot easier to clean. And so it'll kind of just, I have a kit for ceramic coating, so we'll just be able to do that, and it should look really clean on these and keep these clean for a while. So yeah, but they look mint. They look really good, and I'm super pumped about them. So tires should be getting in this week, like I said, and I will go get them mounted, and I'll bring you guys along for the experience. Okay, so the E30 is back on the stock rims, and I'm really just waiting for those tires to get in. The tires should be getting in today or tomorrow, and I wanted to show you guys something and include this in the video because yesterday I was at work and someone decided to steal my catalytic converter on my Honda. So this is my daily driver, and I want to show you guys what it sounds like. You guys ready? So yep, they just cut my catalytic converter right off. So unfortunately, my daily driver Honda sounds like this now, and so I will be driving Greta a lot more. So that'll be good. But I'm working on getting this fixed because it sounds horrible. And yeah, so be careful out there. Hopefully nobody steals your catalytic converter, because this is pretty rough. But I'm gonna end the video here. I just wanted to show you guys the rims and what they're gonna look like. They're gonna be a lot different when they're actually on the car and the car is sitting. I'm super excited for them. I hope that you guys are too. Again, check out Fitment Industries. They have hundreds of different wheels, and they are very good on customer service and helping you out. So we will, once we get the tires mounted on them, we will be able to show the full car. But I'm going to head to the gym. I'm going to go get the car washed and figure out plans for the Honda and the catalytic converter. So be safe out there. Drive safe. And until next time, my name is Ryan. This is Project Race Car. Peace.